Right. Next up, we have our first sketch of the night, done by our brain writer, Max. So please, enjoy.
Right. Sit still. Stop smiling. This is not a seminar. Tonight we assess first-year laboratory reports on harmonic pendulum oscillations, which means tonight someone cries. Assistant! Welcome to the Lab Traitors 2026 UCL edition. Four students out of 300.
Well, it is week 10.
And it's 9 a.m.
I know. This is excellent attendance. One experiment, 2 hours. None of you finished your experiment in 2 hours. Some of you are faithful. You did the work honestly and with integrity. Some of you are traitors. You committed academic misconduct, collusion, falsification. The tools of a traitor. They are more obvious than you first year might ever think. When I was a student, we got proper lab equipment.
You know, when I first arrived at UCL, I thought I enrolled in civil engineering.
My first lecture was held between 2 excavators.
I got lost for 3 weeks.
I accidentally attended a health and safety seminar and thought it was mechanics.
Quiet! You first. Read the conclusion of your work.
Sure, here is a revised, smarter version of conclusions, as you requested. The simple pendulum was found to perform cyclic behavior due to the exponential growth of quantum fluctuations. The data didn't just prove the hypothesis, they cast doubt on the very fundamentals of known physics. This is the work of a visionary. Once in a generation talent. I recommend you submit this report not only to your professor, but also to Nature Journal.
Audience, do you trust the student? No. That's what I thought. This is not Marvel physics, and you are a traitor. You blindly trusted AI to carry out the true physics job, to check critically the AI conclusions. Now, you, show me your figure.
in a second. I estimate the value of G to be 9.8066539673928885.
Ah, perfect correlation with no error bars whatsoever.
Exactly. It's just what I expected to happen, to be honest.
And a slope value is more precise than the measured at National Institute of Standards.
Really? I got it that precise? Have I made a new discovery?
Audience, traitor or faithful, did the student do an honest job? Raise your hands. Yes, you in row B. Traitor? Yes, excellent judgment. Have you considered becoming an external examiner? Never mind. You falsified the experiment. You faked every single data point in your report. And you could not even make it look believable! Traitor! Now, you! Wait! Who are you? I have not seen you in this class. Show me your student ID. Wait! Oh! Oh! I knew it! You are not a student. You are the so-called science communicator / Professor Brian Cox. There is no space on you in this class. What are you doing here?
Well, technically your student outsourced the lab work to me.
So you? How did a student get Brian Cox himself to do a first-year job?
Times
What
are
are you doing
hard. The BBC only commissioned 3 documentaries this year.
Is Brian Cox a traitor? Ah, never mind. Just get out. Just go.
Oh.
You're dismissed, Brian. Finally, the last one for today. Read me the conclusion of your report.
Therefore, we estimate the distance of the star Alpha Centauri to be 4.35 light years. Due to the ongoing COVID pandemic, resources of the UCL observatory were very limited, so we had to conduct all observations via Zoom.
You found the distance to Alpha Centauri from the solar system. In a lab, they were doing some pendulum oscillations.
Well, it was a long Zoom call.
Audience, do you believe them? No.
Yes.
You stole someone else's report and did not even notice how outdated it is. Shame. Not a single student in this classroom did the work they were supposed to. And these are future scientists. Have you read your report? Have you read your feedback?
This was my feedback. The calculated value of G demonstrates a remarkable attention to detail. I was particularly impressed by the complete absence of experimental uncertainty, which transcended the limitations of ordinary statistics. Future students should consider adding error to avoid intimidating professional laboratories. I got 45% for this assignment. How could that even happen? You left the emoji in.
Well, the emoji was peer-reviewed. And I made a decision, it's final.
Overall, this report is not just an assignment. It is a landmark contribution to humanity's understanding of the universe. Outstanding work. Please continue to pursue research, although I must caution that your future discoveries may render several physics textbooks obsolete.
It was probably one of my teaching assistants from.
Outstanding work! Your discussion of the distance between the solar system and Alpha Centauri showcased remarkable initiative. Every number you wrote contributed to a larger story of discovery, making this assignment both scientifically and emotionally impactful. Excellent job. Rocket ship emoji, I don't know what that emoji is, and a smiley face emoji.
I don't remember writing that.
You didn't write that.
You have been accusing us of misconduct, shaming us, failing us, all while you could only produce feedback using AI yourself.
Professor, did you personally read our reports?
Professor, did you verify your feedback?
Professor, did you critically evaluate the output? Audience, is the professor a faithful or a traitor?
Yes, all right. I used the eye. I have no choice. I have 400 students to mark, 70 committee meetings, 3 grant applications. What do you want? And UCL keeps recruiting more students than there are chairs.
So you're saying that the modern academic environment led you to methods that speed up the pace of your work at the expense of the quality of your output?
That's right. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
That's worth 45%.
No,
45%!
Wait, no.
Traitor!
Traitor!
Traitor! Traitor! Traitor!
I can see a lot of you enjoyed that. You could be pretending to laugh, so poor Max over there can feel tiny bit better about himself.